Resilience building. What is resilience? Resilience is the ability to cope with tough events and adapt in the face of adversity or trauma. In other words, it's being able to bounce back after a difficult event and keep going even though you might have feelings of anger, pain, or sadness. This is an important skill to build for people of all ages with the many ups and downs that life brings. It is important to note that resilience is not a trait only some people have. Resilience involves behaviors, thoughts, and actions that anybody can learn. It just takes time. There are several ways parents can help their children of any age build resilience. This can include communicating with your child. You can do this through creating a routine for connecting with them every day. Set aside a few minutes in the morning, after school, or during dinner to connect with them. Communicating regularly can help strengthen your relationship as your child gets older. Ask your child open ended questions. You don't have to wait until your child comes to you to talk about how they feel. Rather than making assumptions, ask open ended questions to get a sense of what's on your child's mind. Actively listen to them. Make eye contact and remove distractions as they are talking. If your child feels like they have your full attention, they're more likely to open up to you or come to you in the first place. Invalidate their feelings. Let your child know you understand how they're feeling by repeating back exactly what you hear without judging or interpreting. Reassure them that their feelings are normal and okay, even if you don't agree with how they feel. Help your child build resilience through setting limits. Limits can help kids feel safe by teaching them what is expected and acceptable. When you are setting limits with your child, be sure to be clear, direct, and consistent about what's expected from them. Offer your child choices for how they can express and manage their feelings in a safe and appropriate way, rather than just saying no, don't, or stop. And be patient and offer specific praise about what your child did well in response to the limit. Building independence is also important for children to gain resilience. Let your child do things on their own. You may want to fix things for them, but they need to practice solving problems now to give them the confidence to do it on their own later. Offer your support when needed. When your child asks for help, try asking them, "How do you think you can fix that?" and offering support. Give your child responsibilities. Show your child how to do a task and be clear about your expectations. Younger children can help with setting the table or feeding a pet. Older kids can help with laundry or taking out the trash. In helping your child build independence, it is also important to understand that mistakes are okay. It can be challenging to watch your child make mistakes, but letting them learn from their mistakes builds confidence and helps them know how to do things differently in the future. Resilience can also be built through identifying, expressing, and managing feelings. Parents can help their child build this skill through building their feeling vocabulary. Encourage your child to use specific feeling words. Instead of mad, help them find out what lies underneath the anger. Are they disappointed, hurt, or embarrassed? You can also model how to share your feelings. Your child looks to you as an example at every age, so when it's appropriate, share what you are feeling with your child to show them that feelings are normal and okay to talk about. Also, provide different options for them to express how they feel. Sometimes kids aren't ready to talk, and that's okay. Encourage them to express their feelings in other ways like journaling or creating art. Teaching and practicing coping skills with your child can also be helpful with managing feelings. Examples of these coping skills can include taking care of your body through being active and eating nutritious foods, being creative by listening to music or making art, breathing exercises, and feeling your emotions as they come. All of these can help reduce and sometimes even prevent stress. Throughout this process, remember that building resilience takes time and effort. Try to be patient throughout this process and know that some days are going to be easier than others. Do not hesitate to reach out when you or your child needs help. Thank you.